How to log in DigiWards. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the process on how you can log into your DigiWards account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into our DigiWards account, all you have to do is just open up your Play Store and then download this application called DigiWards, which is actually available. Now this application is not available on iOS though, so if you're trying to do it from your iPhone you might as well fail it. So basically just open up your Android phone and then make sure to download the app and then wait also for the installation process. So after the app has been downloaded, all you have to do is just go ahead and then open it up. Then you just need to agree to the terms and conditions here. Then just tap on the login button. Now when you tap on the login button, it will ask you to select an account. So just select a Google account that you wish, and then once you select your account over here, it will ask you to verify a captcha, and once you've verified it, you will be able to successfully automatically log into your account over here, as you can see, just like that. And this is how you can log into DigiWards. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.